Howdy folks, this is week one of the mini mansion makeover. We moved into this last week. It's been a bit hectic. There's Daisy the dog, and in this video I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the new project, which is a little overwhelming to say the least. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm loving it, it's very exciting, and basically as much as this house behind me looks absolutely stunning, and it is stunning, it needs everything doing to it, including a new roof. The day we got the keys, a tile fell down next to us as we were stood outside the front door. So I'm gonna stop talking here and I'm gonna give you a little tour. So this is the mini mansion makeover, and it's a beautiful house, what can I say? So I'm gonna just do a little tour around the garden first, and then we're going to document for the next few years. I'm going to say we're going to document what's going on in this makeover, and when I show you the inside you'll start to see what's going on. So beautiful gardens. We are very blessed to have inherited the gardener, so as you can see it's pretty big grounds. It's not a farm, for those of you that know me well or have heard me speak. Our ultimate goal is a farm, and this is the flip that's going to get us the farm, and we reckon it's going to take us about 5 years. So I'm just going to... Oh, there's little Rupee. Rupee, say hey! This is the house from the side. Woo! Ouchie, you okay? Oh, good, dust off. Charlie, will you say hello to everyone? There's Charlie Cha. There's Rupee. They've both got their own little gator. And these are the trees in the garden, which are pretty enormous. So that's the garden. What's up, Rupee? Do you need a wedge? Yeah. Go on then, stand on, put your foot down. Put your foot down, I'll give you a push. Ready, go. There you are, off you go. Bye. So, this is coming around the back of the house now, the other side of the garden. Veg patches up and over there. Just going to take you inside the house so you can start to see. I mean, just a brief glimpse at some of the roofs. They're falling apart, so they really need doing. So this is into the back door, and as you can see, wood chip on the walls, ancient radiators. Gives you a sense of the kind of work that needs doing, and at the same time it's a beautiful project. So excuse the mess, everyone. We moved in a few days ago, and we're still not unpacked, but I think it's important to show the dirt next to the glamorous outside. So this is the kitchen post supper, before the kids go to bed. So it's a really big kitchen. I'm particularly excited about this enormous larder cupboard that people used to have. Those of you that know me know I'm a chef. I love a larder cupboard, look at that. Other than that, kitchen's fairly dated. Got my chicken stock cooking over there. Just roasted a couple of chickens for lunch. We've had my first workshop today in the new house. So there's a few, there's the servants' stairs as it is. There's the office. Again, it's a work in progress, folks. And then we go out into the main hallway, so that's the front door over there. We've got a toilet. Again, everything very dated, beautiful tiles. Nice bit of an old sink there. Old Victorian toilet. All the windows are painted shut, except for about 4. And here we are. This is currently our storeroom. So again, absolutely stunning room, but you know, you can see it's very dated. Lots of lovely coving, beautiful old doors, and you know, dated. And we just had all the furniture from, well, not all, but a lot of furniture from Owen's nan's house, who sadly passed away last year. So we're going to incorporate some of that into this house. This was the dining room of the house. We've set it up currently as a living room. This is going to become the kitchen. It's got a beautiful door out onto the garden, which we were just in. It's currently got Owen's motorbike in the veranda, because that's the only place to put it at the moment. As you can see, we've got a lovely veranda there, enclosed veranda. I'm going to fill that with orange and lime trees and I'll really make that special. So a big room. This will be a kitchen, and we're going to knock out that wall there and put the kitchen lounge through these double rooms going out onto the garden. And then this is my favourite room. This is where the magic happens. This is my coaching room. So those people that come and work with me for workshops and on Money Mastermind and Joint Venture Mastermind, they come here to hang out. We've just literally had our first workshop here today, even though we only moved in a few days ago. So I'm still on a trestle table for a desk, and we're dealing with, you know, we got some furniture. So that's the original dining room table from the house. And I absolutely love this room. It's stunning. There's a few I could do without the orange curtains. We'll swap those out. The lovely Vanessa is going to help us with that, and we'll tag her in the videos as we do this, because she's going to help us interior design this house to, you know, just bring it up to scratch, bring it up to modern standards, shall we say. So that's the downstairs. And as you can see, nothing wrong with it. Huge rooms, absolutely stunning. Just needs a lot of work. So we're going to go up the stairs now. So up the stairs again. You can see the amount of work that he's doing. Really old carpets. Yeah, this project, I don't think many people actually wanted to buy this because it had so much work that needed doing to it. So we've got 3 very big bedrooms on this floor. So this is currently Rupert's room. Again, you know, nice big room, dated. It's got some lovely coving and some bits where paper is falling off the ceiling, but it works. Rupert's very happy here, and he's got a beautiful view out into the drive and the gardens and other houses in the area. This is going to become an ensuite room, encompassing this toilet here, which is in between, which is currently blocked and out of order. And then we've got a bit of a double door here into Charlie's room. Dexter and Raymond, the giant teddy bears, seem to have been having a bit of a party in here. Should have probably checked that before I started filming. Could have made it look nicer, couldn't I? Welcome to the reality, folks. This is a unpolished view of house renovating by Team Thomas in 2022. So again, there's chimney leaks and all sorts going on there. Paper peeling off. Carpets are severely worn in places. And just needs everything doing to it, like the rest of the house. Bathroom, huge cupboards, tank in there. Bidet, everyone needs a bidet. And a massive shower, no toilet in here. This will actually become, so that bathroom and that bedroom will become actually the master suite with a big walk-in wardrobe. And then we go into what is our room. We're nearly unpacked, ladies and gents. I've got 1 box left. And Owen's got 1 box left to unpack. So this is our bedroom, and my favourite part, look at this, is the ceilings are just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this in the video, but the ceilings and the coving are epic. So, and it goes all the way around. Again, a bit dated, but you know, nothing wrong with it. We've got an ensuite in here. With a light that's so fairly modern ensuite, but you know, it needs some work. And sadly, there was an ensuite put in, but the old window was left, so there's going to need to be some work there anyway. But you know, really beautiful big old fireplace. Don't think that's working now, that's been blocked up, but big old fireplace, huge windows, amazing coving, amazing detailing. King size room, more than king size. And then just going to show you this way. So here's the stairs from the back. Now what's interesting here, when we go this way, we've got another bathroom here. Woohoo! With an open window, another few opening windows. And then we've got another toilet here, which is at the top of the servant stairs, back stairs, whatever you want to call them. So again, that goes back down to the kitchen. And then we can go either which way. I'm going to take you up the back stairs, very steep. Paul Fosh, I feel like Paul Fosh talking about a house, walking it round. So again, cracking views. There's the vegetable garden, there's the lantern of the garage. And this is a hallway, believe it or not, but that's 4 big dining room chairs. So we're going to turn the top floor of this to help fund living in this house. We're going to turn the top floor into a 3-bed Airbnb apartment. We're going to start off with 1 or 2 beds. So we've got 1 bedroom up here that will actually be workable straight away. Diane, my bonus mum, Owen's mum, is making curtains. And yeah, we're going to make the best of this as it is to start bringing in some money. And potentially, so we have a storeroom here, attic storeroom. I'll do a video one day going up on the roof so we can get out onto the roof up there. Apparently it's really cool and lovely views. And then we've got the room known as the pink room, which again, it's just dated. There's nothing wrong. You know, we've got old leaks and bits and pieces, but just another huge, that's a king size. No, that's a super king size bed frame there. So just to, you know, get an idea of the size of the room, super king size bed frame, and you've still got stacks of space. Back out into the hallway. And then the final bedroom, which again, there's a lot of furniture up here. This is probably the worst one out of all of them. You know, a lot of peeling wallpaper. Everyone remember the good old roof tiles? A bulb that takes half an hour to heat up. But again, I mean, just, you know, it's just green everywhere out the windows. That's the driveway again. So this will be, there are 3 bedrooms up here. We'll try and fit a bathroom up here and a little kitchenette. And then this goes back down to the beautiful stairs. I think they've probably, this is retrofitted, but you know, at the top they've got a doorway, which may have something to do with the heat. Who knows?
Oh, yeah,
so this is us going up in the attic in to the roof. Ow.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is our roof space. And that's Owen up on the roof.
Right. Cheers, Dan. All right. Ta-ra.
So this is us looking. We're going to be at the top of the house now. All right, Daddy Thomas.
Hello, Mummy Thomas.
Oh, look at this. This is quite cool. If we don't look at the roof too closely, I'm guessing. Nice view. Especially there. Oh. Oh, we're literally on the top of the house. Oh, look, there's the garden. This is quite cool. I want to say that the kids would kind of like hanging out up here, but it's probably best not to show them that it exists. A little bit of a den up on the roof. However many stories up we are. Oh, look, there's the vans. Don't do it, Daddy Pig. It's all a bit of an adventure, this house, isn't it, really? As you can see, everyone, the roof's a bit of a shit tip. And basically, it needs a new one. Nice view, though. We literally are only half the size of the tree, aren't we? Look at that, everybody. And to the side as well. Oh yeah, look, the trees are much higher than the house. And the house is pretty tall. Are we 3 stories up?
Yep.
Yeah, we're on the roof of the 2nd floor, so we're 3 stories up. And the trees are much taller than the house. What do you think, Daddy Pig? Did we do the right thing when we bought this house?
No.
Why not? You love it really though, don't you?
Too much.
You love a challenge.
Too much. Put me in an early grave.
So as you can see, folks, there's a lot to do. So this is Mini Mansion Makeover. We reckon 5 years, needs a new roof. We're going to do a vegetable garden, chickens, revamp the whole house, kitchen, lounge, diner onto the garden. There's nothing in here that's not going to need renewing over time, and we're going to document it, and I hope you enjoy watching it. I know I'm going to enjoy doing it. As stressful as it may be, we will show you the whole thing. All of the ups and all of the downs, all of the fun, all of the, oh my God, what have we done? And I hope you enjoy it. And if you've got any questions for any of us about anything, or any suggestions, or any, oh, what are you doing there? What about if you did this? Please do, put a message in the comments. Cheer us on, ask us any questions if you want us to do a video about anything in particular. The window's going to be a massive project. They all need refurbing. Most of them are painted shut. We don't want to renew them. We want to refurb them. Got to put a new roof on. You name it, we're going to do it. So it's going to be fun. I hope you enjoy watching. And if you like what we do, follow and subscribe.